Doing a scheduled change notification with Qantas NDC is easy. When a scheduled change occurs, Qantas sends an order change notification electronically to Taero. Taero notifies the agent and the consolidator about the change by email. If the booking is auto-validated by Qantas, then no further action is required. If the booking isn't auto-validated, the agent has to accept or reject the offer upon order retrieval via the Taero platform. Simply log into Taero, go to Manage Booking, Air, enter details of the booking, retrieve the order as normal. The system will detect and display a message alerting the user of the flight change. This includes displaying the flight disruption information under the Warning Messages button. When accepting the flight change, Taero, the system, will guide you through the change process. Start by accepting the offer and proceed with exchanging the ticket. Simple. Done.